Go.
Okay, so I did my presentation on the characteristics of different transmission media. So first off, what is transmission media? Wait, how do I?
No, just talk louder. That's all.
Oh, first off, what is transmission media? Transmission media is a pathway that carries information across a network from sender to receiver. And there is two types of transmission media, which is wired and wireless, or guided and unguided media. So, if you go back, so in our
You got this.
In our course, we only need to know the ones that have like a little star, asterisk, whatever you call that, next to them. So, can you please go to the next wall?
You finished here, yeah?
Yeah. So you see the ones that have the little exclamation mark. That's the ones that we need to know. But those are all the types of transmission media. So what are the characteristics of transmission media? So it's separated into four. It's secure. Can you go to the next slide, please, sir? Security, reliability, cost, and speed. And now I'll be going into detail into different transmission medias and talk about their characteristics, I guess. So twisted pair cable, which is that thing you can see on the right, it is medium security, and because it's dependent on whether the information is encrypted or not. It's susceptible to electromagnetic interference, so reliability is not very good, and data loss can occur after 100 meters. So if the cable is longer than 100 meters, then data loss starts to occur. What is the PowerPoint saying?
Try varying your pitch and adding emphasis to keywords.
Okay. Cost. Oh, sorry.
Which one? We still know. Oh.
No, I haven't talked about cost yet. Okay. Cost, so it's relatively cheap compared to other forms of wired media, and the speed, yeah. Okay. Next. Fiber optic cable. It's very secure and very difficult to break in, as you might already know. And it's very reliable, not susceptible to electromagnetic interference. And one single cable can run up to 2 kilometers without any data loss. However, it is very fragile. It's very small, and it's also very expensive, as in it costs around $2 to $8 per meter. So you can imagine if it can run up to 2 kilometers each cable and $2 to $8 per meter, yeah. But it's also really fast, so yeah. Compared to other. Okay. Wireless or radio waves, it's limited security because it's more susceptible to unauthorized access than other wired cable or transmission media, and it's susceptible to interference. And however, the costs are very low, if not free, and the speed is medium. It's obviously not as fast as fiber optic cable.